Hey guys, and here just forget the intro, we should jump right inside the program, right? So you already know this is your 21st tutorial, and for the people who are just wondering why this line is still here, I forgot to clear it out. I guess you people should have figured it out already because we don't need a function here in here, so we don't need a prototype, right? So just clear it out, it has no need in here. So in the last tutorial we were discussing about multi-dimensional arrays. I told you how to print any value from any multi-dimensional array. Now I'll tell you the method to print out the whole multi-dimensional array as it is on the screen. But first of all, my tip to you is this. You have already seen how we print out the 1D array, right? So just pause the video right here, open the code blocks and start trying yourself how to print out a multi-dimensional array. Try it 3 to 4 times, and if you fail, then come back to this video and watch it. If you pass, it's good. If you fail, then watch this video and you'll know how to do it, right? Because if you do it yourself, it will be good. I mean, you will always remember it, and let's see what you can do. It will tell you your potential, right? What you can do. So to print out a multi-dimensional array, we need 2 loops, right? The first loop is the first loop will cycle through the 2 rows, and the second loop will cycle through the 3 column elements, right? So the first loop will cycle through this, and then the second loop will print these 3 values, then the first loop will change the line, then the second loop will print these 3 values. So I think I just show you and it will get clear to you. Less than 2, so this loop will run 2 times and it will change the row, right? And I plus plus, and inside this loop we need another loop, and j equals 0. It will cycle through the column elements, j less than 3, j plus plus, and inside this, oops, easy shift there. Okay, inside this I should print out the element, right? Sandwich I and then j. Okay, and I think I should just put a slash t here so it will become much more clear. I think I should put it, and then just put a semicolon there. So this loop will change the line, and this loop will cycle through the column elements. But how will this loop change the line? Okay, after this loop finishes cycling through the column elements, we should end the line, right? So beneath this loop, outside of the first loop, we should change the line by cout and not 2 enders, right? Only one of them is okay. So now this loop will print out this array as it is. If I didn't mess anything up, just print on this. Okay, I'm damn correct. And here it printed out the value. So let me tell you one more time how it worked. This loop, it went through here. Okay, I equals 0, I less than 2, I plus plus. So the value of I is 0, and here the value of j is 0. So it ended this loop, 0 print sandwich 0 0. So 0 0 element was 51, so it printed it out. Then give a tab, so it came here, the cursor, right? Then again it went through this loop, j equals to, j is 1 now and I is still 0. So 0 1 is 74 elements, so it printed out. And in this way it cycled through all the elements, and when it came to 89, j was equal to 2, and then when j was incremented, j is equals to 3, right? So 3 is not less than 3, so it skipped this loop, came outside, changed the line, then again this loop ran. So the line was changed, and then again this loop ran, and it printed out the 3 values, right? So it was pretty easy, I guess, and I think most of you have figured it out yourself. But if you didn't, don't worry, because I mean, yeah, maybe it wasn't easy for you. You should do more practice on it, and then you'll get good at it, right? So this is it for this tutorial, guys. In the next tutorial I'm going to teach you something cool. I think switch case, but whatever it is, it's going to be cool. Okay, so just watch my next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.